Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning into the Desk Cookies installation experience. In today's episode, we will be installing a Blue Yeti on our low profile stand. So first off, let's start with the things you will need. You will obviously need your microphone, the Desk Cookies low profile stand, the 2 thumb screws that were included with your Blue Yeti microphone, as well as the 2 washers included with your Blue Yeti microphone. Now then, the first thing you'll do is thread in one of the thumb screws. You will thread it in just far enough through so that you can hang the washer on the inside of the microphone stand. You will do the second side, and then you can begin hanging those washers. Once the washers are hung, you can then install the microphone as shown here. You will line up the thumb screws with the holes and thread them in. Make sure it's nice and tight, and make sure the microphone does not easily fall down. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.